A father is someone you look up to, no matter how tall you grow. The quality of a father can be seen in the goals, dreams, and aspirations he sets not only for himself and for his family.
Today's news bulletin highlights the International Father's Day that is observed on 20th June in most of the countries worldwide. Father's Day is celebrated to recognize the contribution that fathers and father figures make in the lives of their children. On Father's Day, children give small gifts like greeting cards, flowers, pen, coffee mugs, diaries, etc. to their fathers, or even decorate rooms and bake a cake for them. Let us all together celebrate this day and make it more memorable for our fathers.
मैं आपके समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है नहीं तुम ईश्वर नहीं हाँ पिता, जिनकी कवयित्री हैं अभिना भारती। नहीं तुम ईश्वर नहीं हाँ पिता, तुम ईश्वर नहीं क्योंकि साकार हो तुम, निराकार नहीं तुम, सिर्फ मेरे हो, सिर्फ मेरे ही तो हो, मैं कृति हूँ तुम्हारी और तुम रचनाकार। मेरे तभी तो पिता, तुम समाये हो अंतर मन में मेरे और झलकते हो सर्वांग अस्तित्व से मेरे। दुनिया तुम्हारी सीमित बस मुझ तक, विस्तार उसका सुदूर ब्रह्मांड में भी नहीं बांट रखा है तुमने अपना प्रेम, बेशक हजार हिस्सों में। कोई और भागीदार भी तो नहीं हाँ पिता, क्योंकि साकार नहीं निराकार हो तुम सिर्फ मेरे हो, सिर्फ मेरे।
दर्द को दबाना, आंसू को छिपाना, कोई सीख ले आपसे। अंगारों की छांव सा आशियाना, कांटों पर चढ़कर भी मुस्कुराना। यह जमाना वह जमाना सीख ले आपसे। वाकई जिसके आगे सारी जन्नतें अधूरी हो जाती हैं, वाकई जिसके आगे सारी जन्नतें अधूरी हो जाती हैं, बस पिता कहने भर से सारी मन्नतें पूरी हो जाती हैं।
कभी अभिमान तो कभी स्वाभिमान है पिता, कभी धरती तो कभी आसमान है पिता। जन्म दिया है अगर माँ ने, जानेगा जग जिससे वह पहचान है पिता। सपने तो मेरे थे बट उनको पूरा करने का रास्ता कोई और दिखाया जा रहा था, और वो थे मेरे पापा।
कभी अभिमान तो कभी स्वाभिमान है पिता, कभी कंधों पर बैठाकर टहलाता है पिता, कभी घोड़ा बन के घुमाता है पिता। अगर माँ हमें पैरों पर चलना सिखाती है तो पैरों पर खड़ा होना सिखाता है पिता। धन्यवाद।
My father is my first superhero and the most important person in my life. I'll always be thankful for having you in my life. Through his hard work, determination and sacrifice, my father has impacted me to become a hard-working person. Since he always told me that hard work always paid off, not instantly, but sooner or later. Happy Father's Day. Love you, Papa. Thank you.
The father is the symbol of strength that binds the entire family in the string of love and happiness. He is the entity who can just revolve the world for us, and surely his hard work and sacrifices are remarkable. My father works day and night tirelessly all times despite of any condition to support the entire family economically, socially, morally and emotionally. I feel there is no I existing on this planet without him. It's Father's Day today and we are got to be happy. Do wish your dad with abundance of happy wishes. Hello Papa, happy Father's Day.
Hello. Thank you. Thank you.
I love you Papa.
Thank you.
Here I have a gift for you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I love Papa. I love Papa. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Father loves me too. Father loves me too. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. Today we are celebrating Father's Day. A father is a teacher and friend for every child. My father is also my friend. He helps me in studies and bring various things for me. My father guides me in my future and my father is very important in my life. I love you, Papa, so much. Thank you so much for everything. This is for you.
Thank you, beta.
Father are the pillar of the family that keeps the family together and support in all life paths. For appreciating our fathers, every year we celebrate Father's Day by giving him gifts, spending the whole day with him. He makes lots of sacrifices but never stops supporting us. This is for you, Papa. Happy Father's Day.
Love you, beta.
Thank you.
चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है।